I'm Cameron Little, Chesterfield, South Carolina, Big 843. I'm in the pipe welding academy right now, but I went through the welding degree. I took the 1.5-year course, and now I'm doing the 2-month course right here with Pipe Welding Academy. I enrolled in the welding program because when I did business, it wasn't really me. I was sitting in a cubicle. I said, man, let's get out the box. Let's try something different. And then I ended up trying it, and I love to do it. I was nervous about not having any knowledge of what I was doing and coming in blank slate fresh. Didn't know anything, man. Couldn't tell you the first thing how to strike an arc or anything. And over time, it's kind of settled, and I've kind of learned, and I've stayed countless hours just so I can get it right and make sure I can just get a greater understanding of what I'm doing. Toughest challenge would be in the first semester whenever I had my little girl, man. It changed how I thought, because you're trying to become a dad and still trying to get a job. Something just kind of struck within me, man. I was like, something's got to give. I'm a dad. I got to grow up. I was 20 at that time, and I had to man up. Say I overcame it by just showing up. I worked even harder. Made me work even harder, man. I just wanted it more. I'd like to say the instructors, especially, I'd like to just give a big shout out to Mr. Simmons, Mr. King, all the guys that's helped me all the way through, Mr. Ford included. They really got me ready for the field. As far as my future goes, I think it's gonna open the lanes up. I was kind of like on a 2-lane highway before. Now I feel like I'm on the interstate. There ain't nothing but just full speed ahead. But